Good morning, class 10th. We are in chapter metals and non-metal, and in previous lecture we talk about physical properties of metal and non-metal and a single chemical properties of metal. Today I am going to discuss second most important chemical properties of metal, in which metal react with water. See, whenever metal react with water, it form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, whenever metal react with water, it always form metal oxide and hydrogen gas, and when metal oxide again react with water, they form metal hydroxide. So you need to write down these two format in which metal react with water to form metal oxide plus hydrogen gas, and whenever metal oxide again react with water, then it form metal hydroxide. Now we know that water is present in three state: solid, liquid and gas. Let us see some special cases in which we see different situation and different elements, different metals react with different form of water. First case, metal like potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. It mean that sodium and potassium react with cold water violently. Let us see, 2K solid potassium react with 2 mole of H2O liquid, it form potassium oxide 2KOH, which is aqueous in nature, plus H2 means hydrogen gas, and it also gives a large amount of heat energy, So that's why we say that potassium and sodium react violently with cold water. See again, next one is 2Na, 2 mole of sodium solid react with 2 mole of H2O liquid, it form 2NaOH, sodium oxide, okay, which is in aqueous in nature, and it also form H2 hydrogen gas and heat energy. Okay, in case of cold water, sodium and potassium react with cold water and it gives us a big amount of heat energy. Let us talk about another case, which is case number 2. See what is case number 2. The reaction of calcium with water. The reaction of calcium with water is less violently with cold water. It means that potassium and sodium, only two metals, react with cold water violently, but in case of calcium react with cold water less violently. Okay, see example. But in this case, when calcium react with cold water, okay, which is less violently, in this case the heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen, to catch fire, okay. Whenever calcium react with water, it form calcium oxide, which is aqueous in nature, and hydrogen gas and plus heat energy, and this heat energy is not very much and not very big, okay, in amount. Let us talk about another case. Let us see what is case number 3. In case number 3, magnesium does not react with cold water. See, magnesium is a metal which does not react with cold water, it only react with hot water. You have to remember some special cases in which some metals react with cold water and some metals are react with hot water. Okay, in case of magnesium, magnesium does not react with cold water, it only react with hot water. Okay, now let us move to another case, which is aluminium, iron and zinc. Aluminium, iron and zinc does not react either with cold water and hot water. Okay, so these are some special elements, some special metals like aluminium, iron, zinc, which are not able to react with cold, either cold or hot water. Okay, but they react with steam. I repeat, but it react with steam means water vapor. It react with vapor, it react with gaseous state of water. Okay, they react with, including aluminium, zinc and iron, they react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so in case number 4, aluminium, iron, zinc are such type of metal does not react with either hot and cold water. It always react with steam. It always react with steam and to form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. See, 2 mole of aluminium react with 3 mole of H2O, which here H2O is gaseous in nature, that's why we say steam. They react with steam. Okay, and it form aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, if you see in a case of iron, 3 mole of Fe react with 4 mole of H2O and form ferrous oxide and hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is case number 4. Let us talk about last case of this chemical property. Okay, metal react with water. In this case, in this property, the last case is lead, copper, silver, gold do not react with water at all. It means that such type of metals like lead, copper, silver and gold do not react with any state of water, either solid, liquid or gas. Okay, so please write down all these cases of this chemical property, which is first case is metal like sodium, potassium react with cold water violently. Metal like calcium react with water is less violently with cold water. Okay, and magnesium does not react with cold water, it only react with hot water. Aluminium, iron, zinc do not react either with cold water or hot water, but they react with steam to form metal oxide and hydrogen. Okay, and last case, lead, copper, silver, gold, iron, these are the metals do not react with water at all. Okay, thank you.